Hello, and welcome to the video overview of Team 20's Student Freelance Task Manager. Before we continue to our project's functionality, we can discuss a bit about what we use to build our application. We use Java Spring Boot to build out our application's backend. Spring Boot is an open-source, Java-based framework that requires minimum configuration setup and allows developers to quickly and easily begin backend development. JUnit is a unit testing framework that we use to write tests for our backend. Maven was used to handle all backend dependencies, and MySQL was used as our application's database manager. Moving on to our front end, the React JavaScript library along with other libraries such as Material UI, Formic, and Recharts were used to build a rich user interface that users can navigate through to explore our functionality. All version control for this project was handled through GitHub. Now for our application's purpose and demo. Our project is a student-oriented freelance task manager that allows corporations to post and manage various tasks. The purpose of our application is to allow companies to set up a single vendor through which they may have several student freelance workers. By allowing students to establish and maintain connections with potential employers through freelance work, employers can discover and maintain contact with upcoming talent while students gain real-world experience with a flexible schedule. Our app is particularly useful for students that have completed an internship or co-op and wish to keep their foot in the door at a desired company. Our task manager is set apart from other similar freelance applications by focusing primarily on student users and easing their ability to gain employment after graduation. Our application's edge also lies in its potential to directly integrate with an employer's existing human capital management software, such as Workday. We will now show you various use cases in action. Here you see a situation in which a student has several assigned tasks. A student user is able to navigate to their time logging screen and log time for various tasks. As you can see, the user's dashboard updates according to the changes they've made. There is a bar graph outlining a student's time for each day of the work week. Below, there are 3 donut charts that respectively display how many hours a user has dedicated each client, the estimated payment for each client, and how much of a user's self-determined weekly availability they have used. Moving on in the next video, you see a drop-down menu through which a user is able to view their assigned tasks. They are able to view more information, including description, wage, deadline, and relevant technologies, by clicking on one of the tasks. A user is also able to go directly to a time logging page from any of the task preview pages. In this next video, you can see a student logging in and navigating to their student profile, where they are able to update their information including name, address, and work availability. A student can also declare their areas of expertise and include information about their education. Finally, this next video highlights a student's ability to log in and view unassigned tasks for which they may apply. As of now, a student is simply able to sign up for any unassigned task and it will be added to their assigned tasks. In the future, a student will be required to gain approval from a client before being assigned to a task. Thank you for watching the video preview of our application.